Alright, well, I've created my own hydraulic steam engine hybrid thing, I guess. It was originally like a steam cleaner, and I basically just took it apart, added some tubing to it, and a little piston stuff for hydraulics here, a little piston thing at the end to basically just push, throttle the water through to the motor in which it heats up, and then it heats that up, goes through the steam, and then takes the steam out. You can kind of see a little steam coming through there. Here's what it's like when it's I'm not sure what it'll power, but I think you can see the steam coming up. Now you can. Maybe I can make a little hit and miss engine or something with it. Just a little electronic wheel. And, yeah. Things like that. That's me. Cool.